It's March 27th, Friday. It's like 60 degrees, coming to you from a car because I got rained out. Rode the Onewheel around St. Joe just to see how empty it was. Figured I can go down main streets, fuck around, take photos using the Nikon AF L35, which is a kick-ass little point and shoot. And if you can find one of these, or like the Canon version, whatever that hell that is, find one. I got this for like $20 or something on Marketplace. It's great. Always have film with you. Tried the Onewheel in sand. That shit did not work. I don't know. We don't have much beach to even get to like the wet sand where you can ride it on. So I said, fuck it. Went through the golf course as well. Then the rain came. Now we're here. Hopefully I got some cool photos. If not, whatever. It's a video. Later.
It's their gospel choir singing. I can feel the music playing. It's a heavenly and joyful sound. If my heart had hands, they clapping. If my soul had feet, they dancing. There ain't nothing gonna bring me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you hear it? If I sing it, I got nothing but loving. Joy is in my bones, stirring in my soul. I keep smiling, I keep shining, walking in the bliss. Got nothing but happiness. Got nothing but happiness. Got nothing but happiness. Jump up on my seat, shake a butt like tambourine. My happy hips are gonna take you to church. When the sermon's finally over, pop a collar, brush your shoulder. Got a smile so big it looks like it hurts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it.